The Constitution of India is also known as Bharatiya Samvidhan. India, also called as Bharat, is a sovereign, socialist, secular democratic republic. The country is governed by the Constitution of India. It was put together by the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was adopted on the 26th of November 1949. It officially came into effect from 26th of January 1950. We celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. 26th November is celebrated as the National Constitution Day. The National Constitution of India is the longest constitution ever to be written by any country in the world. It is influenced by other constitutions of the countries, like French Constitution, the Constitution of Japan, and so on. Dr.B. Ambedkar is the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. He played a significant role in the drafting of the Constitution of India. Previously, the Constitution of India was known as Law Day.